Be ready? 5 seconds. Start. The Learned Advocate Journal further submitted that power under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act 2000 is pre-materia of Section 144 of Criminal Procedure Code. Let me examine his such contentions in the light of the aforesaid provisions. Section 69A of the Act is to be exercised by a particular authority as envisaged in the Act. The scope of exercising that section is also specified. There is, in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of the state, friendly relations with foreign states, or public order, or for preventing incitement to the commission of any cognizable offense. Section 144 of Criminal Procedure Code deals with circumstances when the same can be exercised, that is, to prevent or to prevent obstruction, annoyance, or injury to any person lawfully employed or danger to human life, health, or safety, or a disturbances of the public tranquility, or a riot, or an affray. Therefore, scope of exercising the aforesaid sections are well defined. Section 69A is having a penal section, and the indiscriminatory who fails to comply with the directions under subsection 1 shall be punished with an imprison for a term which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. The order of the executive magistrate in connection with Section 144 Criminal Procedure Code is valid normally for 60 days, but the state government may extend it for 6 months more. The argument canvassed by the Learned Advocate Journal does not impress me much. An executive magistrate cannot pass any order beyond his territorial jurisdiction. Jurisdiction of cyber law is wider enough, and for that reason Section 69A of the Act is codified, and our Honorable Apex Court clearly held that Information Technology Act is a complete code. Learned Advocate Journal further contended that there are some metropolitan magistrates who enjoy the jurisdiction and power of an executive court. It is true that the metropolitan magistrate, namely Metropolitan Magistrate Court number 10 and Court number 3, enjoy that executive power. But the learned CMM cannot enjoy that power unless notified. Therefore, this argument also does not hold any water. Learned Special Public Prosecutor Bipesh Chatterjee, after supporting the contention of the state, argued that in view of Rule 7 and Rule 8 (4) of IT procedure and safeguards, etc. Stop. Rules 209 that there is a committee for examination of request, full stop.